In this video, we are going to explore whether it's possible to check your Roblox playtime. Typically, when you log into your Roblox account, whether on your PC through the Roblox player or via the mobile app, and check your settings or profile, you'll notice that your playtime is not listed anywhere. Unfortunately, Roblox does not officially show your playtime, so you'll need to use external tools to track it. One such tool is extension called Robro. This works with Chrome or other web browsers that supports Chrome extensions. So navigate to the website Chrome Web Store, search for Robro. After it appears, add it to the Chrome. Now you can navigate to your Roblox. Robro will only track your playtime after you install the extension. So if you install it after watching this video, it will start tracking your playtime moving forward, but it won't allow you to check any past playtime before the extension was installed. After you install it, now you can navigate to any of the game that you have played, and over here you will be able to find your playtime. So this way you are able to check your playtime on Roblox. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.